Hello everyone, this is Joey from Kanen Coffee, and today we have an Alex Duetto espresso machine in the shop with us. And now we're just going to test all the functions of the machine, starting with espresso. As you can see, I already pre-made a puck here with our test coffee. Put this in here. We're going to get a cup. Now don't worry if it runs a little too fast or too slow. I did not calibrate the grind to your machine. But we're looking at 9 bars of pressure coming out, going towards 9.5. And it's looking like a great shot's coming out of this one. Beautiful shot. Let that pour out, let that pour out. We're going to just turn it off there. As you can see, quite a beautiful espresso came out of that. Now we're going to test both the steam and hot water. So I'm going to steam. This one has a 4 spout, as you can see, so it has really powerful steam coming out of it. And now hot water. And everything's looking good. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.